Hello guys, welcome to my channel Editing Zone. Here is a new project I have take out for you. If you are new, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can easily get the voice notification. Without taking more time, let's start. First we need to open Adobe Lightroom application, then import our picture from here in bottom right corner. After import our picture, we need to increase contrast and put it on 93. After this we decrease the highlight on -24, and after this we are going to color section. Now we click on color option and choose blue color for sky editing. There is we put hue at -70 and saturation 29 and luminance at 27. Now we click on red color and increase saturation, then we click on purple color and decrease saturation, and then click on this color and decrease the saturation. Now we click on yellow color and adjust the tools. After this we are going to increase the temperature, and then we put ink vibrance at 31 and saturation at -9. Now we tap on light tab. Here we click on first option to increase shadow, and then click last option to increase yellow effect. After completed this, we reopen light section to decrease the brightness. Now we click on effects and increase clarity at 28. Now we are again open color tab to adjust sky color and yellow color. After this we put saturation of picture on -3. Now our picture is ready. Tap on share tab and click on save to device. Thank you for seeing my video and subscribe my channel.